ます。危ないですから黄色い点字ブロックまでお下がりください。自由席は1号車、2号車、3号車、7号車、8号車です。この列車は電車禁煙となっております。車内でおタバコはお吸いいただけません。この列車は8両編成でホームの中ほどに止まります。この列車は各駅に止まります。
Welcome to the Shinkansen. The Super Express Kodama 776 departing at 1936 bound for Hiroshima is arriving at track 11. Please stay behind the yellow line on the platform. This train has 8 cars. Car 8 is at the front of the train and Car 1 is at the rear. Cars 1, 2, 3, 7, and 8 are for passengers without seat reservations. This train is completely non-smoking. Please refrain from smoking anywhere on the train, including areas at either end of the cars. This train will be stopping at every station before arriving at Hiroshima Terminal. Thank you.